Are you tired of your Facebook ad accounts getting banned right when you start making money? What if I told you there's a secret backdoor the top 1% of advertisers use to get unlimited spend, lower ad costs, and direct line to Meta support? Let me show you how it works with UpROAS. So this is UpROAS, and these guys basically provide whitelisted agency ad accounts to many different businesses in the ad space. And they're currently doing a massive offer that should definitely be on your radar, guys. Essentially, you can stop paying between 3 to 5% hidden spend fees to resellers. You can connect your own card and earn up to 2% cashback on your ad spend. If you spend 100K or more per month, this cashback can completely cover your monthly subscription fee. Now, what exactly is this service? Well, UpROAS provides whitelisted agency ad accounts to over 500 different businesses. These accounts completely bypass the $50 per day limit that you're probably used to, allowing you to start spending $1,000 or even $5,000 daily right out of the gate. You actually get access to a verified business manager and direct Meta ads representatives. If you are starting a business or you already have a business and you've got those limitations like bans or ad spend limits, well, this is a great option to bypass that and get around it. Now, when it comes to stability and support, agency accounts almost never get disabled, keeping your ads running during critical sales periods like Black Friday and Q4. If an account is banned, direct Meta reps can work to remove the restrictions or instantly replace the account to avoid low downtime. You can get direct feedback from Meta on exactly why creatives are rejected, so you can tweak them for instant approval. And the benefits are clear here. In traditional ad accounts, you're basically not going to be able to run ads for almost any vertical. You don't have that unlimited spending limit or unlimited ad accounts. With UpROAS, you get all of that, and you get tons of more features too. Now, depending on your business and where it is right now, you can pick different subscription tiers. These range from about $300 per month to about $2K per month, and you're going to get different benefits depending on that. But it is worth noting that some of these are available, some of them are not. So definitely check the availability and go through and see what is applicable to your business. Now, when it comes to performance and scaling, Platinum High Value Advertisers, or HEVA, BMs perform up to 80% better in the Meta ad auction space. This strong HEVA score consistently maintains cheaper CPMs and better delivery across all campaigns. These accounts bypass unfair health categorizations that normally spike costs for compliant products like skincare or supplements. So definitely worth noting if you are in those niches. Now, getting involved with this is super easy, guys. All you got to do is hit the link in the description, sign up here, and then they will have a rep contact you very quickly. So if you're tired of dealing with bans and want to scale without constant account issues, click the link in the description and secure your whitelisted agency ad account from UpROAS. They only open a few new spots 2 to 3 times per month to maintain high quality. Click the link now before they fill up.